Want to know who's eyeballing you while this is going on? Do this for 5 seconds. The 5 seconds, instead of instead of you just looking at them like, what the fuck are you doing for 5 seconds? What I want you to do is scan the room or scan the area you're in to figure out who's watching you. Do this, and this will be your 5 seconds delay. Look at me. This is your 5 seconds. What? Are you watching? Watch. And then look around. Whoever's looking at you, whoever's studying you, whoever's observing you hard is going to be yawning just like you did. Gotcha, bitches. Let's do this breathing exercise. 5 seconds. We're going to make a believer out of you eventually. I know this much. You're tired of the shit, aren't you? And you got out.